What up, YouTube? Let's get it. So, happy Friday to you guys. Happy upcoming weekend to you guys, Saturday and Sunday. I really hope that you guys are having a phenomenal week of selling gold, selling what else? The pound, selling Australia, New Zealand, buying USD CAD. The dollar's up, the US dollar's up. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's dive down for some more technical analysis, right? And what could we expect for this upcoming month of March? So, with no further ado, let's go ahead and share the screen here. I will touch base on the funding talent challenge. I am working on. They're supposed to give me one. So I don't know when they plan on giving one, because when they do give me one, then I'm gonna start trading it, and I'm gonna what was I gonna say? I don't know. Been hectic day today, guys. But doing a lot of things today. But anyways, I will come back to funding talent here. Well, let's go back and talk about. Let's recap, right? So you guys are probably wondering, like, well, why is the US dollar up? Number one, it's about time for this thing to move up, anyways, and I'll explain why it was about time, because it's almost repeating the same structure what it did here back in 2018. So right here, you guys look at this set right here. Very similar setup structure. So if this is the same structure that we're looking at, man, that's a big move back up to 102 again to retest 102. Now, is it going to retest 102 by the end of March? No, obviously not. That's not what I'm talking about. So this is the weekly chart here for you guys. Look at the same structure, what happened in 2018, and look what it's doing, the same thing right now. So very important to see that this is a very good reversal pattern. To me, I wouldn't be surprised if they jack up this thing to retest at least 94 before it makes that decision where it's going to be creating resistance again at 94, or possibly going back down. Another pair I will touch base on is gold. Now, gold is down. Man, it went down quite a bit. So I'm gonna go down here to the wick here. It came down. I'm going down like 1716 here. Now, I don't really see any major structure here previously. So I'm not seeing a whole lot what happened here. So maybe probably come back down and retest 1680. And then maybe come back up from there, because there is a lot of support here, and here, right? 1 and 2, support, right? Support, okay, at 1680. So very interesting to see where gold is headed. But overall, gold has not retested its previous highs. So let's look at the previous highs, right? The highest price that gold ever hit was 2080 up here, right? It came back and never retested to break it, so it went back down, right? Same thing. Like this is a major resistance price here again on the weekly, 1960, right? And you can see that what I'm highlighting right here at 1960, right here, this one and this one. And then now it's already broken this key support structure under 1800, which was 17. 17. Hold on. Bear with me, guys. 1785. So that's where I have my horizontal line. So very interesting to see where gold is headed, right? But overall, it is on a downtrend. I don't foresee this reversing anytime soon, unless something major happens with the US dollar. Then yes. So be very careful where gold is headed. Now look at USD JPY. This thing is up like massive. So if you did not buy it at the very bottom here, which was it 102.5, and it's at 106.5. So this thing is gaining momentum, a lot of momentum. And I wouldn't be surprised if they actually come back and retest the 109 or even 110. If it actually breaks 110, then it's going to be a massive move going back up. I'm just letting you guys know that. It's very interesting to see where this pair is headed right now, and 102 has not been broken, so you can see that it is already outside of the structure zone, and it's just been blasting itself up. USWIS, I think, yeah, USWIS was going up all week. And then Euro is back down. So UK, man, UK, you can't miss UK. UK, they shot this thing down. The best time to buy this thing was at 120, pretty much at 125. Now it's at 127. So pretty interesting to see. Like I said, some major reversals at this time. And yes, this is the last day you can trade for this month, right? It's Friday, it's the 26th. I'm not counting the 28th because the 28th doesn't count anyways, even though I know it's Sunday on the 28th. But March 1st, you better be prepared, right? So I wouldn't be surprised that the US dollar index is actually going to be, be a major move going back as a bull run instead of a bearish move. So I'm looking at this as a major reversal for the US dollar. And I wouldn't be surprised if Wall Street ends up taking back down. This is pretty interesting. This is S&P 500 and this is US 30 right here. So I've been waiting to sell this market right here, man. This market is going down hard. I'm expecting it pretty soon here. So I'm gonna go back to funding talent. And if you are interested in doing the challenge, make sure you read, not this stuff. Make sure you read this. I right after I made the video, I actually scrolled down and I was like, oh, I missed out on this. So I started reading it and I was like, this is very similar to FTMO, except that you're targeting 8% instead of 10%, and you're targeting 4% instead of 5%. So that's just easy way I can say it. Because if you were to do a 100K challenge with FTMO, you would need to make 10,000 profit, which is 10% of the account. And then you would need to make 5% on your verification process, which is 5,000 of the 100K. So that's 5%. And then so 8 and 4% is just a little bit lower. It's like it says the same setup, right? You have 30 days to complete phase one. They just call it phase one and phase two versus FTMO calls it evaluation challenge and then the verification challenge. Okay. So um let's talk about this. Yep, 8% for phase one, $8,000 for the 100K option, and then 2,000 for the 25K option, 4% for phase two, which is 4,000 for the 100K, 100,000 for the 25K. This is self-explanatory. This is stuff that you should start reading, especially if you want to get into the challenge. Before you get into the challenge, always read the FAQs, always read the frequently asked questions, always read the rules and guidelines and procedures. I don't get why, to be honest, like I don't get why people don't read that stuff or disclaimer or even the terms and conditions, and then they're like, "Oh yeah, I didn't know about that." What? You didn't read any of that stuff? You didn't read the contract or the agreement? You gotta read that stuff. I'm telling you right now. So you need to complete a minimum of 10 trading days for each phase. Okay, it sounds like FTMO. You will have a 5% daily drawdown and a 10% maximum. Yep, that's pretty much just like FTMO. If you come to the end of your challenge phase 1 and 2 and you have fallen short of the target profit, you get one courtesy retry. So as long, okay, so they need to reword this. So as long you have no what? You have no violate. Okay, so someone needs to fix this typo here. Yeah, they need to fix this typo right here because I hope they're watching this video. 'Cause I'm gonna tag them so they can fix this right here. Um, what happens if you violate? You're gonna have to repay again at a discounted reset fee, which I think that's pretty cool because FTMO does not offer a discount at all. Okay, the only time that they offered a discount was their end of the year 2020 December sale. That was it. Other than that, there was no discount from FTMO. So just my 2 cents right there. You can operate 3 challenge accounts just like FTMO. If you pass all 3, your live accounts will be merged. You cannot swap your classic or fast fund account for a challenge. These are not interchangeable. Yes. So what I tried to do was, since I was on a 300K aggressive, I was like, you know what? Can I just I was like, you think? Yeah, I asked him, I was like, you think it's possible if I just turn my 300K aggressive model program to just do the 300, just to do a 3 different 100K challenges, and they said no. So you're basically forfeiting the program if you do that. and you would have to repay again, which that's not justified, and that would not make any sense, to be honest, guys. You will receive 80% profit split on your challenge live account, which is 10% higher than FTMO, and they offer bi-weekly payments of the 80% profit split. How cool is that? You will have, yeah, okay, so we know that. Our live accounts are with Black Bull Markets. So I'll be honest. Let me look. Black Bull Markets. Some people say they're good. Some people say they're bad. I have never heard of this company because they are a regulated forex um, forex brokerage, and so I don't even think for me as a United States client, I don't think they would even accept me if I was just to come in here and try and create a live account. So with funding talent, they're actually, I'm assuming they have investors or a some kind of partnership with this broker here. When you do finish the challenge, make sure you read up on what exactly, what this firm is. Now they were, let's see. Well, I was just gonna read this here, but you guys should read this before you make your decision if you want, because this is the only live account that you'll get when you finish the challenges. This is not where you could choose Hugo's Way or Tickmill or XNES or KOT Forex, Purple Trading, FX Choice for the classic and aggressive model program. So this is the only live broker you're gonna get when you finish the challenge. So yeah, I would read up on this, right? They were founded in 2014. They are a award-winning New Zealand broker from New Zealand. Leverage, not bad, 501, 200 minimum deposit. I don't know about that. Let's see here. I know they are a regulated broker for sure. Um, yeah, I don't know. I think that's all I got. But like I said, wait, hold on. I saw some. They were registered in the UK. Okay. And then you can see their licensing number and registration number for the company. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so ultimately, I've been getting asked, is this the right company to be with? Right? Is this the right company? Is this the right prop firm to be with? To be honest, for me, it is. Okay. They're growing fast. And now they're adding another challenge to their program, right? You can either do, you don't have to do the challenge here, right? If you don't want to do a challenge, to where you got to do phase 1 and phase 2, then click on here and do the aggressive or the classic model. And basically you pay for the sign up fee and then you automatically start trading the demo account on the 7 to 8 brokers that you can choose. With the funding talent challenge, like I said, once you pass it, then the only live account you're going to get is Black Bull Market. So that really depends on, I don't know. The only way I don't if yeah, the only way to know is to test their live account anyway. So that's the only way. But if you don't think this is the right fit for you, then don't let me do it. That's my honest answer. If you think funding talent is a waste of your time or prop firms are a waste of your time, don't let me do it. If you have the capital to trade a 6-figure account or a 7-figure account, there's no point even getting into this, right? If you need capital, then look into a prop firm. I don't care if it's not funding talent. Okay. I'm promoting them because I want to make big in this company with them. Okay. And I want to be loyal to one company. And also I want to strive and be more than just a Forex trader, right? You guys get what I'm saying? So there's more to life than just being a Forex trader. Maybe one day I'll be a motivational speaker one day. I don't know. Who knows, right? So, anyways, but yeah, if you guys have questions, I can only like I said, I can only answer so much with funding talents on their like I said, you gotta read the facts, right? Right here. Why should I try funding talent? Well, let's find out. Funding talent is an exciting opportunity that allows traders to display profitable trading strategies while being rewarded for their success. Yeah, that's true. Okay. right? How good are you a trader? Test your skill sets with funding talent or any prop firm, right? The rules. I mean, if you don't read the rules and guidelines, I'm gonna tell you right now, don't even waste your money signing up if you don't understand the rules and guidelines of funding talent. As easy way I can say it, if you don't understand the max loss, if you don't even know what a max loss is, don't even sign up. Because I want people, like I said, I don't want anybody to come in and be like, oh my gosh, this company is a joke. I don't think this is the right company. I don't know why I wasted money on this. But you didn't do your research. You didn't read, anything on the on rules, guidelines, procedures, terms, conditions, disclaimer. You can always ask them right here, right? Yep. See, customer support's right here too. So I just I don't know. I mean, it's right here. I mean, this whole tab of this menu is right here, man. You can't beat this. It's right here, guys. I feel like I'm talking too long, so I'm gonna cut this video short. I will come back tomorrow and explain some more about funding talent. I'm gonna keep talking about funding talent and talk about the analysis here on tradingview.com for you guys, so you guys get a chance to see where I'm going with this. And yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna try my best to make daily content for you guys as much as I can on YouTube. And yeah, happy Friday. Yeah, I am pretty much had one crazy day today. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time.